What's up YouTubers, you're watching SideTrackAvenue, and today I'm doing another unboxing and review. What I have here is a emergency radio, the Voyager model KA500L by Kaito. Now the reason why I bought this is because back in July we've been having a series of earthquakes here in California. Inside the box are only a few things: a USB cable, simple instructions, and the warranty. I basically had everything in my bug out bag except for an emergency radio. After the first one hit on July 4th, the magnitude was about 6.4. I went out to get one, and I wasn't the only one shopping. It was a little busier than usual. At the surplus store I paid $55, but online you can get this for about $50 or even less. It's because of those aftershocks and news media saying we're still in for more earthquakes that I went out to the store and got one, rather than waiting a few days for it online. So the radio can be charged by solar panel, hand crank, power adapter, and by USB. The power adapter, however, is sold separately, but you really don't need that because you have the solar panel and the hand crank, so that's not really too much of a big issue.
For more, we'll line up.
Comes with other features like reading lamp, emergency beacon, flashlight, and can also charge small devices. I had this radio for a while and I pretty much like it. Besides using this for emergencies, I can use this while doing small projects around the house and maybe use this for fishing. At the same time, this can charge my phone while I'm busy doing whatever I need to do. In retrospect, finding a cheaper price online is a better deal, but if you're already in an emergency, you gotta do what you gotta do. The radio band comes with the AM, FM, Shortwave 1, Shortwave 2, and NOAA. The sound quality is really good for a small and basic radio. This is really light and it feels like it's about a little over a pound. So I give this a 5 out of 5. If you like this video, wait until the end for more links to random videos I do. And don't forget, stay sidetracked.